This is trash. Like, can you just have my colour? What's good, gang? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nicole Fia. Thank you for tuning into another video. So today's video I am going to be showing you guys a makeup look. However, there's a twist. I will be using only products from Primark. Before I do like my little intro and talk, I bought a face mask from Primark, of course. It cost £3. And it is called Hollow and Glow Hydrating Sheet Mask. So while I do my intro, I thought, why not put it on? So I'm going to put it on. And by the way, don't watch my nails. I'm getting them done after this video. Is it ripped? Oh, great start. I can't even bloody open this. It's so slippery. What? I feel like I need scissors. Oh, ew. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, please guys, don't watch my nails. I'm actually getting them done after this video. So this is what it looks like. It's actually dripping. I've never worn a face mask before like this. I don't know what to... This was a really bad idea because I can't even talk. This was a really bad idea. Ooh, feels nice though. Oh! Clearly I have a small head. Oh, okay. Oh god, I look like a cheater. This was really a bad idea because I clearly can't talk with this on, so I can try to talk with it on. I hope you guys can understand me. So my whole bill from Primark came to £44, which is the same price as most foundations in life. Like, I just don't understand. For example, NARS foundation is £33, I think, or £32, something like that. Estee Lauder, £32, something like that. MAC, 20 something pounds. Like, literally, I've got everything for the price of one foundation. Who knows, it might be trash, it might be good. It feels really nice underneath though. It doesn't say how long you're meant to leave it on for. Oh, apply to clean skin, remove the mask from the sachet, and gently unfold. Carefully place the mask over your face, ensuring even contact with skin. After 15 minutes, remove the mask. 15 minutes? I don't really have 15 minutes to be waiting. Damn. Oof. Damn, I think I'm gonna have to go back and buy a couple more. This is serious, guys. This is very serious. My skin literally feels like a baby's bum. This is so nice. Oh my god, I'm feeling myself, bitch. It definitely says get tissue, but I don't really want to remove this. Okay, so now that you guys can hear me, 40 something pounds, and I just feel like that's absolutely crazy because most foundations are literally like nearly that price. But who knows, it could be rubbish. So that £44 can stay there because if it's rubbish, I will not be using you again. So I bought prep spray and I bought primer prep base, but I don't know which one to use first. I feel like you use the spray first, but then do you use the spray first? I don't know what you use first, so I'm just gonna just do it. I think you use the spray. Yeah, I think you use the spray first. So I'm gonna use this spray. It is hydrating prep spray. Clearly he wasn't even spraying that on my face. Great start. That felt refreshing, that did. By the way, this was 90p. 90p for prep spray. So now I'm going to be using Stay All Day Primer. And this extends the wear of makeup, smooth skin to create the perfect base for makeup. At this point, my skin is feeling really moisturised, boy. So I'm only going to take like this much. It originally was £1, but honestly, I think that's the wrong sticker. Either way, I got it for 50p, to be honest. So I'm just gonna, you know, just blend all of this into my face. So that's all blended and smoothed into my skin. Feels nice. Either way, 50p, can't go wrong. So now I'm going to be doing my brows, and I bought this brow kit. It's called Brow Emergency Kit, but they only had medium brown because everyone in this world is colour medium brown, like Primark Fix Up. But the only reason why I still got it is because it has brow gel, you know that brush, like the eyebrow brush, you know, to brush your eyebrows, and tweezers. £2. How sick is that? However, because medium brown isn't my colour, I then got another eyebrow Oh, it's the eyebrow filling powder. Gosh, their packaging is so hard. So this is the brow powder in the colour Cool Brown. What I'm going to do first is just brush my eyebrows up. Brush, brush, brush. So far, so good. Don't want to talk too soon, but I'm liking everything I've used so far. The skin still feels hydrated. Just for balance, I'm going to try out the medium brown. Let me just show you guys what it looks like out of the packaging. Oh, it's not that bad. This is way too light. Do you know what? Yeah, it's actually not that bad. Honestly, it's really not that bad. Let me just try the powder. I don't know, it's coming out like black or like a grey. One thing that I will say about this powder is the fallout is mad. Just a bit extraness for why. I don't know if I'm feeling it. I feel like it's too dark. I don't really like dark eyebrows. It's doable, and especially for £2. By the way, this pencil was £1.50, so you can't really go wrong, I guess. And if I'm honest, I will just use this as a lip liner. Now, time to clean these bad boys. For concealer, guys, I got my Perfect Colour concealer stick, full coverage, natural finish in the colour Caramel. Here we are, and it's just like a twisty thing. This was 90p. I had so much trouble picking my concealer, I'm telling you. By the way, I'm not using Primark brushes. Who told you to do that? Like, no, Nicole. I'm actually fighting with my skin. This is really hard. This concealer is way too light. What the hell? Yeah, this is all mad. This is so dry. And guess what? Believe it or not, this was the darkest concealer that they had. But it's okay, I'm gonna see if we can make this work. Nah, this is crispy, boy. I'm not gonna lie. This is very crispy. Usually I would use a darker concealer at the top, but this is the darkest, so I'm gonna have to just use it as well. One thing that I am going to say is I'm liking the coverage. Really liking the coverage. This is dry, man. This is dry like foot back. This colour looks nothing like the colour of the actual stick. It's a big lie. Look at that. Look. So I bought this hydrating mineral water mist, and this just hydrates and refreshes skin. But instead of me putting it on my skin, I'm going to put it on my beauty blender. This was £1, guys. £1. Like, it needs a bit of love, cannot lie. This was a bad idea. Wait, what? Wait, what? Do I need to put more concealer on? Because I just can't. Alright, let me test it out on this one. So if I put more concealer on this eye, if it's the spray or if it's the actual concealer. So I just needed to put a bit more concealer on, that's all. Primark, you scared me there, man. This smells so nice. It smells like roses. I really don't like this at all. This concealer needs a lot of love. Inside there's 6 shimmers and 3 mattes. Ta-da! It doesn't have names. I don't expect it to. It cost £4.50. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So this is the grey. It's like a silver. Cute. Purple. Blue. This is like, I don't even know what this is, to be honest. This last one. Look at these colours, guys. What I've realised is the matte colours don't come up as much as the shimmer colours. £4.50. I'm sure we can work with it. I think I'm going to start with this purple. The fallout is mad. So let me press it into £4.50. This eyeshadow is lit. Yeah, it's mad. So I'm just going to press it in. I feel like when I'm looking straight, the colour of my eye looks not brown. Looks blue, looks navy blue. But then when I turn my head this way and the light shines on it properly, it looks completely purple. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know what eyeshadow look I'm going to do. I'm literally freestyling right now. This navy blue. But I want to put it just on my crease. Just on my crease, like so. Now I'm going to take the darker shade and just literally pat it here. And pat it here. Just in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. This eyeshadow is really pigmented, you know. I think I would recommend it. This is looking interesting. Now I'm going to take my concealer. Just going to put this on my crease. And just put the brush down and make a line. This is really hard because this concealer is definitely tough. Just blend out the edges. But just so like there's no harsh lines, I just blended out the edges. Now I'm not going to add any more product. I'm just going to quickly just dab over without adding any extra product. Now I'm going to take this purple. Mad. I was not expecting it to be this pigmented. I am in love with this colour. Oh my gosh. I love this colour. Love, love, love. Eyeshadow is a mad thing. So now I am going to use my Primark liquid eyeliner. And this is the colour Midnight. This is the eye that always goes wrong. Foundation. My perfect colour. Long Wear Ultimate Matte Foundation. Double coverage. Matte finish. Oil free. In the colour Caramel. Really? Again, Caramel. I bought a darkening shade. Adjusting drop. I just drop a pigment of this. And mix it with this. The matte foundation is £5 and the darkening shade liquid pigment is £4. So £9 basically for my foundation. I'll show you guys. This is the colour of what my concealer should look like. What is this? Let me know if I can continue. So I'm gonna put a drop. See, look how dark that is. Can you see, guys? That's actually dark. When I mix these together, my face is feeling a little bit dry. Beauty Booster. This basically just like recharges your skin. This costs £4, by the way. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna put this all around my face. This is what we're going to do. And I know you're thinking, why didn't you just get the next colour up? The next colour up was this colour. It was this colour, guys. Because everyone that's dark skin clearly has this colour skin. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to make this work. By force. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Let's blend. I don't know how I'm feeling about this right now. This is so dark. That was the first coat, but this is looking really ashy and I'm not liking it. Cannot lie. Even this all out. Oh no, this looks so mad. This is not my colour. Gonna need a lot. Who? Oh my days, this is ridiculous. Oh, this is just jarring. You have to be really firm with this foundation. Very, very firm. Because around my eyebrows are just so white, I'm just gonna gently, ever so gently, just tone it down. This really pissing me off. I hate when like the concealer is just hella bright for no reason. Oil free, you know, I'm shining like a flipping star. You're just gonna have to like do trial and error in terms of getting your perfect colour, because I feel like it's blending in with my skin. By the way, I'm on the top. I would give it a 6 out of 10. For £5 though, guys, it's very good, cannot lie. Back in with my concealer. I want like a straight line, so my eyeliner looks even more fleeky. Do it on my head. Do you know what I forgot? My contour. I didn't buy anything to contour with. I'm gonna get my beauty blender again and spray it with my hydrating mineral water mist. This is way too light. This is way too light. I honestly feel to add a bit of darkening drops. I really feel to add the darkening drops. Let's try, who knows? Just one drop. Maybe two. I really don't know. Honestly though, I think it's durable. What type of flimsy piece of concealer did I put on my chin? I need to keep adding this spray because this concealer is so tough. Just to know, give it a little push. This concealer is so bad. Like, can you just have my colour? Don't understand. I'm actually just gonna put another coat of concealer. The coverage it's not doing it for me, Primark, at all. Just one drop this time. Oh! Bruh, you playing games. feel like I'm fighting with a rock. Yeah, this concealer is a no, no, no. Now time to bake. I bought the mineral powder, medium coverage, oil free in the colour beige. Because this is not my colour, because they didn't have my colour. I'm gonna just press it into my skin, so I'm not even gonna bake. I would not buy this in a million years. This is trash. Oh, this is terrible. I want to stop now. I just put this in my corner eye, like so. Full look, false eyelashes, glue included. Oh, for £1. Eyelashes are on. I feel like you can't see them, but whatever. I thought just because my baking powder was going to be way too light that I would buy some actual powder to put on top. And this is called my Perfect Colour Mattifying Powder, medium coverage, smooth application, and it's in the colour caramel. Let me just rub this off. Let me just leave that out because I can't today with Primark because they're just getting on my nerves. I'm just gonna add a bit of brow gel. I forgot to do it before. Yeah, I love it, absolutely love it. I would recommend this. Now for my lips, I bought, they're actually eyeliners from Primark. So I basically got a blue and I basically got a purple. I'm going to start off with the blue first and then just colour in a little bit. By the way, these cost £2.50 each. I don't know if it's worth £2.50, but hey ho. Now I'm going to get the purple and just go in the middle of it. These colours look really like grey. Ew, disgusting. This was a very bad idea. The Instagirl Intense Liquid Lipstick. Satin Finish Vitamin E Full Colour. This was £2. I'm going to just put this in the middle. This smells so nice. Oh my gosh. I actually like this colour a lot, but I shouldn't have put the blue on the outline. The best part of the whole video, it is Pure Glow Highlighter. This was £3. Oh, yeah. This is cute. This is serious. I didn't know it was going to come out that much. Whoops. This can be like some Ice Queen type of look. Way too dramatic for my liking. £3. And people are paying big £40-50 for Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a no thanks. This is a yes, guys. I would actually recommend this. It's a shout, it's a shout, it is a shout. I think I'm done now. Just to finish the look, guys, I added these Makeup Squad face gems. My girl got them for me from Primark. She was like, yep, because you're doing like this whole purple bluey vibe, metallic vibe, you need to have some gems. And you know what, I think it's working. Ice Queen NYX. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Overall, I'm really impressed. Apart from the concealer and the baking powder. Is it baking powder? Yeah, apart from the concealer and the baking powder, everything I think I would actually keep. And maybe the foundation. Maybe get the correct colours. Like, they need to get more of a variety of colours. They literally just have 2 dark colours and the rest are light. Primark are doing bits. Okay, I would not go out my house like this, but I feel like it's doable. Like, certain products are doable, so I'm very proud of them, but they do need to improve. Guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like me to do anything similar in the future. Comment down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Peace out.